Okay, so for WordPress, I think it's important to remember that WordPress is used for a variety of different web pages, and you could use it for blogs, for um, just a website of your choice, of course. And there's just a lot of features on WordPress. So one of the most important in regards to context is going to be pages and posts. That's really kind of um, the main part of the using WordPress is so that you can get that content out there. So if you go on the left-hand side under Site, you're going to see a tab called Pages and one called Posts. So under the Pages tab, there are 4 tabs: Published, Drafts, Scheduled, and Trashed. The one we're going to be focusing on is going to be the Pages tab. So that's going to have any pages that you've created that are saved. So these are just 2 examples kind of sitting here, so you can kind of see what that looks like. Um, and then when you're ready to create new content, you'll select Add New Page. On these examples here, there is a drop-down menu where it shows you a history of the statistics, so who's read it, viewers. You can copy the page, copy the link for the page. You could set it as your home page or just save it as a regular page. So under the tab of Add New Page, it'll take a minute to load up. There we go. So you're going to see a selection of different templates for you to use to create that page. So there's a blank page where you can create your own layout, and you'll in the upper right hand corner you'll click Use Blank Layout if you choose to do that, or you can go to About Pages. So these are templates that have already been created previously, and if I scroll down, there's also different types for blog pages, contact pages, and more below. So if you choose to use one of those, you would just select that page or that template that you'd like, and then you'll be able to select that use, it would say use about layout, and then you scroll down and it kind of gives you a guideline and the proper formatting for that selection. Okay, so we'll go back here. And then we're going to go to posts. So it's important to remember the difference between posts and pages. Although they are very similar on WordPress as far as how you create the content, pages are going to be used, they're going to have a title and your actual writing in there, but it's kind of separate. It's its own page. It's not part of a stream or river of content, whereas posts are shorter. I think they're used more for really blogging, and the newest posts are going to be on the top. So you'll just keep adding to that. So this page is very similar. You'll have published, drafts, scheduled, and trashed. And then under post, you'll also select add new post. And the page that we're going to be on that you'll see here doesn't have templates or anything. It simply just has where you can add a title and you can just begin your writing. And there are some tools in regards to like editing and things like that to fix your content, edit it. Okay, so that's one part of WordPress there as far as writing it. A lot of the remaining parts of WordPress are really surrounding design and then sharing the content.